Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your chosen clip and immediately duplicate the main track so you can work non-destructively. Once done, trim to the exact segment you want the bokeh on and lock the backup layer to avoid accidental edits. Make sure the subject is isolated in the frame. Capcut performs best with clear foreground separation. Then switch to the overlay track and position the duplicate above the original. This gives you a separate layer to mask and blur without losing the base image. Next, select the top duplicate and open the mask tool. Choose a shape or brush to isolate your subject precisely. Once the mask fits, add a background blur effect to that duplicated layer or to the layer beneath depending on your workflow. Adjust feathering to soften the transition. A 10 to 30% feather usually reads natural. Then tweak blur intensity while playing the clip so motion and focus look realistic. Make sure mask tracking is enabled if the subject moves, and refine key. Finally, scrub through the timeline and add keyframes to the mask path so it follows the subject smoothly. Ease the keyframes for natural motion. Preview at full resolution to check for edge halos and color shifts before exporting. Choose a higher bitrate and match source frame rate for best results. If you see an obvious rim or halo, lower the blur amount or increase feathering and nudge the mask inward slightly. If tracking fails, manually adjust problematic frames. This usually fixes small glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.